Welcome to the Farnborough International Airshow. You're on your way to promoting your business at the world's premier aviation showcase. This video has been specially created to help you make the most of your exhibiting experience at the show. First things first, review your contract so you know exactly what you've booked and paid for. We want to ensure you have the best experience possible, and this is an important start. Make sure you look at your exhibition regulations. It contains lots of information about key deadlines, building your exhibit, health and safety, and other site rules you need to be aware of. Log in to eNet, your one-stop portal to managing your participation at the show. Your login details are sent to you via email when your booking is confirmed. Once logged in, the first thing we recommend you do is complete your trade catalogue entry and online exhibitor listing. It's important that you complete both these sections to ensure your business is visible. If you're subcontracting your stand build to a third-party organisation, please register your contractor in the Plan and Submit section. Your contractor will then get their own eNet login details which they need to build your exhibit at the show. Please remember, our deadline for submitting chalet designs is the 4th of May, and for self-build stand design, it's the 18th of May. Late submissions result in delays for us and a £500 late fee for you. We wish to avoid this at all costs, so please keep to those deadlines. Self-build stands can also register their stand sharers under the Plan and Submit section. You can also start ordering any services that are required for your exhibit, including electrics, plumbing and graphics. Remember to review the Read Me First section before completing any task. This section is bespoke to your participation at the show. A full list of suppliers is also available on our website. Finally, we recommend you book hotel accommodation for your team at the earliest opportunity. You can book directly via our website or via your eNet account. Once you've completed these tasks, you can focus on promotional activity. Farnborough attracts a global customer base like no other, so make sure you get the most value from your presence. Contact our sponsorship and advertising team to discuss ways to maximise your exposure during the show. And watch our second video detailing your next round of key actions to manage your participation.